Our video for today is about installation of solid wood flat form settings and laying base jack, G.I pipe, scaffolding with placing of swivel clamp and fixed clamp, and then at the second floor part of beam we will be able to perform deformed steel bars installation, then included runner formwork for second floor beam. Today is our 59 days. Did you notice that in the area you will see the things that we can install the U-head jack? It will help to hold the support under the second floor slab. It is very useful to be able to stay on line all the support scaffolding bracing above the floor level, and at the bottom we use base jack. All our workers are too busy doing well in their duties and responsibilities. All of them will be able to show and perform their expertise and skill. Then I'm here on this project to check and supervise them at all times from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Did you saw what they're doing? They fixed the base jack on top of the solid wood platform, and we will be checking if the installation is on the proper and if it is on the aligned side to side and corner to corner. On this part, we will be installing and placing the swivel clamp and fixed clamp to hold properly of the scaffolding pipe. Then look at it on the yellow line. It is our guidelining to be able to always align all the scaffolding pipe and bracing. On this part, we will continue the excavation for the preparation of wall, footing for ramp area to be able to access this part as entrance for PWD person. This is one of the requirements of our building code of the Philippines. This is our end part of our videos for today. See you again in my next video. Bye to everyone, Manga Kalasa. Please follow and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you to all Manga Kalasa. God bless us all.
Mr. Sergs _Kalasa TV.